I make Chinese pancake to teach you. All ingredient is green onion, flour, hot water, and oil.
In the pancake?
In hot oil.
Interesting.
So,
MSG.
yeah. 3.
3 teaspoons salt.
1.5.
Teaspoons of MSG.
Yeah. And this waiting.
How do you know when it's ready? Smoke?
Very hot. Then
Smoke? Smoke?
Yeah.
Grandma, so did you learn this recipe at the school also, the flour company?
YouTube.
YouTube?
YouTube.
You learned this recipe on YouTube?
YouTube have a lot of recipe.
This one's from YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Delicious.
It's ready. Then turn. Then pour in the flour.
Oh, wow. You just stir until the flour is gone?
Yeah. Okay. We need waiting for cold.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably really hot.
Yeah, really. Very hot. Need waiting. Then we can make this one.
When was the first time you made Chinese pancake?
First time?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember.
How old were you?
I don't remember. I make a lot of Chinese pancake.
But you probably made it before YouTube.
No, I don't remember.
Did you make this in Taiwan?
Yeah.
But how did you learn to make
But
it?
that time, no YouTube.
Yeah. Was it different recipe?
No different recipe. Same recipe.
Oh, then you didn't learn this from YouTube. Where did you learn this recipe?
This?
Yeah.
No.
That's okay.
Can't. Okay. Put hot water. Save our time. Waiting, cool down. Then you can use your hand. If too dry, more water. You can use the cold water. Prepare here. If too dry and too hot. So I use cool water to cool down.
I'm sweaty.
This is Chinese pancake. Don't need yeast. Rolling it off. Take a break.
Okay. Do you have to cover?
Yeah. 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
Good work.
Yeah. Lift there.
It gets
Take
bigger?
a break. Take a break.
Movie star grandma. Ready? Okay.
Okay.
Ah, scale. Grandma, you're cooking very precise. Measurements. Did it rise?
No.
No? Just
No
cool
yeast.
down? Well, yeah, but why do we cover?
Cover for easy to make.
Okay. So you just roll it out a little bit and then cut?
80.
80 grams. 80. This one is 83. It's pretty good.
This is 10.
Alright, so we ended up making 10.
Is it make a 10 Chinese pancake?
It's still pretty warm. Feels good.
What is that?
That's the oil, flour, MSG, salt mixture. And you're just drizzling in a little bit of a circle, spreading like pizza.
It's like a pizza.
How did you get yours so round?
Put the onion.
How come yours is so round? Why is mine weird
It
shaped?
doesn't matter. It's not round.
Still yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, you just roll it up again, huh?
Yeah. Then rolling, 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 and
Squish. Was this too much or it's okay?
too much.
Oh, okay. I guess let's find out what happens inside.
Yeah. Don't that's dry.
Okay, so I roll it up like this,
Yeah. Then pull.
pull it out,
Then
roll it up. Oh, roll and twist,
yeah.
and then smush down. This is good?
Yeah. Then
Oh, inside?
make all this.
Okay.
And what is that mixture? Is that pure green onion?
Yeah, is this all green onion, Grandma?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
Nothing.
So, Grandma, I have a question for you. So, when I eat plain Chinese pancake, you put this,
Yeah.
but no green onion.
Yeah. You don't like green onion. So just put this.
I'll put a little bit.
Yeah.
But like a couple drops, like not a lot.
Yeah. Then you don't.
Well, I want a little bit, not a lot.
You don't like, right?
I'll put a little bit, like that.
No cover.
Oh, it
It's
gets dry.
dry.
It gets dry on the outside.
Yeah.
That's why I have to cover.
So you
maybe those
need
ones
a
I should
cover. Need a cover.
Okay, so then I stretch it out, roll it up and twist it like this.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
I'm
Don't let
confused.
it hole.
Oh, okay. So this, okay.
Like a poop.
Yeah, like a, no.
Like a
Like a- Yeah, we have to leave it covered so it doesn't dry out. Here you go. Wow, you roll it really fast.
Because
Experience.
I stand
Oh,
up.
if
then
I have a stool, then, but we're the same height when I'm standing. Grandma, have you ever thought about putting other ingredients besides green onion, like other thing in here? Did you ever put anything else?
No, I never
Like-
tried other things.
Like bacon.
Bacon.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Cheese.
Yeah, you can do that.
This is good. Original is good. Okay, what's the
Okay.
next step?
Next step,
There's some flour.
some flour
Oh,
to not sticky.
okay. Oh, and then roll it out.
Yeah, slowly, slowly.
Make.
You can make this size, or you can make round.
Oh,
It's ready one.
okay.
Then I need a paper.
Oh, mine has a hole.
Yeah.
You just roll it. It stays.
Okay. Then down put it here.
Small. And then then stack it up.
Okay.
And then after this, you freeze it. Do you ever cook it like now,
You can cook right now.
and it'll taste the same?
Yeah. But too much.
Yeah, 10 of them too much. Well, sometimes when you make mantou, we eat all the mantou.
You eat all the mantou.
Yeah. Right?
Ready?
Ready, mantou?
You can eat all the mantou.
Too much.
Ready? Open mantou. Look. It's good, right?
Yeah. So if I roll it too much, all the green onions come out? No.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter? Okay. This is good.
Okay. I finished it. You can eat 包子,
Okay,
mantou.
I want to see how you roll. I feel like mine is like small.
Small or big doesn't matter.
Yeah, but what if I
Or
want it big?
80 gram.
Hmm.
This onion for you. I cook right now.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna cook one for the video
I
right
cook
now.
right now.
You don't heat up the pan first?
Not yet.
Only when it's not frozen.
Yeah.
So you're cooking it fresh.
Oil.
Where did you learn how to make Chinese pancake?
The same time.
As the mantou?
Yeah. We learn Chinese pancake, 馒头, 包子, 饺子, all the flour make.
Did you eat this when you were growing up?
No. I make for my family. Put on Chinese pancake.
Just a little bit. Wow, thanks.
Because you want to learn. So I make Chinese pancake to teach you.
Thanks, Grandma.
Okay, you can eat. I make Chinese pancake to teach you.
Bonus recipe. You can use a Chinese pancake to make beef roll. Grandma made this into a different shape, right, Grandma?
Yeah. If you like hot, put hot sauce.
Chili oil?
Chili,
Grandma, what are you putting right now?
beef.
That's your chili oil.
Okay, rolling.
Yeah, cross section. Grandma, and then go like this, show the camera. Yummy. Thanks, Grandma.
Okay, you can eat.
Mmm.
You can bring Chinese pancake to San Diego.
Okay.
And the mantou and the 包子.